Have you ever watched something like an ad or an event that made you cry, got you angry, or gave you goosebumps? Well, Rihanna's story is giving fans everywhere goosebumps. Leading up to the Super Bowl, Apple Music dropped an ad that paid an emotional tribute to her childhood in Barbados and her big dreams in life. And then the Super Bowl halftime show hit. And whether you liked it or not, we watched something truly amazing. We saw for the first time a pregnant woman perform at the Super Bowl halftime show with no special guests, saying, as a pregnant woman, I got this handled. And then her first song, Blank, Better Have My Money, was a real life experience about an accountant who screwed her out of her money. And then a decade later, she became a billionaire. And to top it off, she did a product placement of her Fenty brand, capturing 113 million viewers. She is the wealthiest musician, second only to Oprah Winfrey. When a story resonates with you, it triggers an emotional connection, leading to the formation of a meaningful relationship with your brand. This is called emotional branding. For a step-by-step guide on how to develop a brand strategy, check out the link in my bio.